suppose that I have a sailboat, 40 feet. This is my sailboat. And originally my sailboat have a small diesel engine, Perkins, Yanmar. And the house of my boat have a DC panel with lights, blowers, and an AC panel with one air conditioning unit, one refrigerator, bam. I have AC panel and DC panel in my actual boat. And my boat is with a diesel engine, and my boat have a generator 5 kilowatts. Everybody follow me? This is the actual situation of my boat. And one day I said, no, I want to convert this boat in a hybrid boat. Okay, number one, I am going to finish the project of the propulsion system. I am going to remove the diesel engine, and I am going to try to find in the market one efficient small electric motor to replace that motor. Okay, I found that this motor produced the same output torque, a little higher than the original Yanmar engine. I remove the Yanmar engine, and I bring my motor, I install the couplings, and I use the same propulsion system. The same coupling, the same shaft, the same propeller, I keep the same, and I only replace the motor. Okay, but this motor is 3-phase AC. Okay. All right, if it's 3-phase, I need an inverter. Yes, this motor is coming with the inverter. The inverter is located here. If you check in the inverter in the back, the inverter receives positive and negative and convert in AC 3 phases, the orange. Okay, convert 48 volts DC into 3 phases AC. Oh, magic. This is the inverter. Everybody follow me? Okay, and this inverter depends on the battery bank. In this moment, this boat will be full electric boat. All right, I connect my motor, my inverter, my coupling, my shaft, my propeller, and I am ready to start the system. And now the inverter is inverting, and the system is okay. I have in this moment with that group of batteries 2 hours of operation. Okay, but 2 hours is a little. Okay, increase the capacity of the battery bank. Put more batteries. That depends on you. Okay. This is in this moment my electric boat, the propulsion system. I have a group of batteries in 48 volts, and I did the installation as you can see. Now I am going to be concentrated in the house. This is the house. And I am going to do this, guys. Okay, I want to convert my house in a hybrid house with solar panels. I am going to replace the actual house battery bank for a good battery bank with lithium batteries with good capacity. And I am going to install an inverter. I am going to install an inverter, that inverter. You see the inverter? What is the idea with that inverter? I want to convert the power of the batteries into AC power. Look, the power of the batteries, enter over there, look, positive and negative, and convert that power in AC and provide power for this. In this moment, I am working with batteries, and I have lights, I have air conditioning. Let me turn it on. The air conditioner is running. I have a lot of equipment connected in my boat. Okay, nice, I love it. But those elements depend of the battery bank. I want to live in my boat with my family. I need more amps, Mr. Lopez. Yes, probably we need more. How many people? It's 4 people. My wife, my kids, and me. Oh, wow, 4 people. Yes, we need double amount of battery. Or 3. Okay. What is the situation? No, I want to create a hybrid boat that these batteries receive charge from solar panels, or receive charge from a generator, or receive charge from
Alternator.
excuse me,
An alternator.
or from the alternator, but in this case I don't have alternator because I convert my diesel engine into electric. Okay, I am going to convert this system in hybrid. What is the procedure? Follow me. I want to keep this battery bank fully charged all the time. If the day is good and I have good sun, probably with the solar panels, I keep the battery bank fully charged. Oh, in the evening, when the sun is not good, I am going to use a small generator only to provide power to the inverter charger, because this element internally have a battery charger, and that battery charger recharges the battery bank. That's it. How I am going to do that? Okay, I am going to install here an automatic transfer switch, and I am going to install two AC inputs. One input from the shore power from the pedestal, and other input from the generator. And the output of this enter in the inverter charger. Everybody follow me?
Yeah.
In this moment, I am connected to the shore power. The AC power enter here. This element is intelligent and detect that I have shore power and receive the power from the shore power and send AC power to the inverter charger. And the inverter charger is also intelligent and say, okay, one portion of the AC will be for the AC panel, and the other portion will be to recharge the system. You see? Charging mode, and recharge the battery bank. If I disconnect this one, pay attention to this. Okay. If I disconnect this element, the shore power, the system is intelligent and detect that I don't have shore power and start to suction from here. My panel continue working, my air conditioner continue working, and this system in this moment start to suction from the batteries. No more shore power, and only from batteries, and continue. And I continue using my boat, both battery banks and the house. When the level of charge in any of those battery banks decrease 25%, I program the system. This element, the Servo GX, is intelligent, send the signal and activate the generator. And the generator, this element pass to generator, provide power here, and I have AC for the panel and AC to recharge the system, to recharge this battery bank and that battery bank, both of them. This is completely intelligent. And I go to sleep with my family, the motor is off, I am sleeping, but some elements are running, and I hear suddenly that the generator each 2 hours start for 10 minutes and stop. Doing what? Recharging the batteries. That's it. This is a perfect hybrid.